Believe it or not, these three variants all started from the exact same image. And no, I didn't have to rewrite the prompt every single time. Seriously, I'm using ImagineArt for this. Thanks to node-based workflows, I can actually automate the entire creative process. First, I'm generating a master image, a clean, neutral smartphone. This is our foundation for everything else. Now, watch the magic happen. Instead of starting over, I just connect new modification nodes to my base image. In the first branch, I'm asking the AI to change just the color to a vibrant red. And in the second one, we're turning that same base into transparent glass. It's that easy. I can do the same for the lighting too, creating a dramatic cinematic setup. Just look at the result. With one click, I got 3 versions of the product that are perfectly consistent because the starting geometry is identical. But the real power? It's in chaining. I can take that red phone I just made and plug it into a new node to change the lighting. I'm building modifications on top of each other, just like layers. It's incredibly powerful. The best part? This workflow is fully reusable. If I need the same variations for headphones or a perfume bottle tomorrow, I just change the very first prompt, and the rest of the graph works automatically for me. If you want to build your own workflows, check the link in the first comment.